It is the year 2888. The highest altitude ever recorded belongs to a test pilot named Joe. He was flying the latest experimental aircraft, the Starhopper, which used a revolutionary new suborbital engine to reach incredible heights. But no one knew just how incredible until it was too late. As the Starhopper ascended, it passed through the clouds and into the jet stream. Then it broke through the atmosphere and kept going. 100 kilometers, 200, 300, at 112,000 kilometers up. Joe should have been outside the atmosphere, but there was no vacuum of space. There was no breathtaking view of the Earth as he passed through the exosphere, the outermost layer of our planet's atmosphere. Instead, Joe found himself in a blinding white void. Then he hit something. It wasn't solid, but it wasn't empty either. His instruments exploded with error messages. His radio was dead. The Starhopper decelerated, then stopped. It simply stopped in the middle of nowhere. When rescue drones were sent out to find him, they struck the same invisible barrier as if a pane of glass had been placed in front of them. They couldn't see through it, but they couldn't see around it. That's when they saw the wall. It stretched across the entire sky, perfectly smooth, spherical, and utterly invisible, until news of the wall spread around the world and astronomers pointed their telescopes. They discovered that the wall was perfectly smooth, a sphere 40 million kilometers in diameter, exactly large enough to contain our solar system. No star or planet was close enough to touch it, so it went undetected until now. Scientists had no idea what to make of it. Was it natural? Artificial? Dr. Amina Veraz, a theoretical cosmologist, proposed the unthinkable. What if the universe was smaller than they believed? What if the stars, the galaxies, they were simulations, illusions, projected onto the inner surface of this vast shell? But if that was true, then where were they? Where was everything else? Meanwhile, a distress signal was sent out to the world, a plea for help from the trapped test pilot, but no one could help him. No ship or drone could get through the wall. To make matters worse, the longer they observed the wall, the more its presence distorted their view of the stars, making navigation impossible. Within days, the entire globe was in chaos. Planes were grounded. Rockets fell from the sky. People looked up at the wall and wondered what was next. Dr. Vera set up an expedition to study the wall. Its purpose: map the structure, find a way through. The